Welcome to the Whelen Engineering booth at Fdic 2025. Starting off, we've got our new warning lights that we have. We have the new T-Series warning lights, the Mega T-Series, U-Series light heads, and VXE 2250 traffic advisor and warning light stick. We also have the Whelen Cloud platform with our video display here explaining what Whelen Cloud can do for you. We have our torque control systems that gives us all the capabilities of control and programmability along with all of our control heads. This is one of my favorite parts of the booth here, this big sign here showing firefighters. We are trusted to protect first responders, and we've been doing it since 1952. Everything that we manufacture here is here in the United States. Over here is one of our dealer development vehicles that we have, one of the demonstration vehicles, showcasing tracers, Whelen Legacy light bar, the new U-Series light that mounts underneath your mirrors, Whelen Arguses as well. You have push bumper. This is a great setup that showcases how we can not only put lights on fire trucks and ambulances, but how we can outfit chief's vehicles and first responder vehicles. Over here we have the new Whelen Field Series. Great new product. We're really excited that show this year. We launched it last year, but this is gaining great momentum with this dynamic control and versatility that we have. We also have our Argus Series light heads, which are our scene lights. Then we have our M9 EZ scene lights, our 900 EZ scene lights, along with our M6 and 600. We're excited here to be at Fdic, and we look forward to seeing you as well.